Okay, hello everybody. Juan Carlos Mercado, Charlie, and I'm doing a how to fix your USB drive after you broke it video. So I'm gonna try to make this quick. So I bought this soldering iron, a Harbor Freight. I don't remember how much it was, but it was very cheap. And this the soldering wire right here, and it comes in this little tube. So I was amazed. I saw some other videos on YouTube and I was amazed on how easy it actually was. So I took as you can see, I took the USB apart. This is the top piece. And this is what holds it together. This little, whatchamacallit. And there's a little tiny light right there. Right there that blinks. When you plug it to your computer. So anyways, this is the soldering iron right here, and it comes with this little neat stand right there. So you just kind of place it there so you don't get burnt accidentally, of course. So this is how easy it is. Look, check this out. So this took about a minute to warm up. It's been on for about 5 minutes. So you just turn it on. And after a minute or so, once it's hot, see that? And there's already a bead of soldering right there. So you just approach the area you want to solder and you just drop it there. That's it. That's all you do. It's that easy. You move on to the next. I think there's a little bit of soldering remaining there, so I'm just going to go to the next one. And you just gotta remain steady, obviously. There it is. So I did 2 just with that one little. I think I have enough for a third one. And I hope you can see. Okay, I'll show you. I'll zoom in after I'm done. I'm gonna keep going. So there it is. It's another bead right there. All right. I hope you can see it. I'm not sure. I don't think it looks a little fuzzy. Anyways. I'm gonna keep going, and I just drop it. See if I can pick it up and get closer to it so you can see. No, this doesn't work for me, but you can see the 4 little right there's 4 little connectors. I think it's on there good. I'm gonna try it on my computer and see if it works. I have been previously told by a computer repair shop that these could not be fixed. So obviously the guy was lying to me. I googled it, I went on YouTube, and there's other videos on they show you how to repair these. And you can actually send them to some businesses where they repair these for you. You know, UPS, FedEx, and then they'll return it to you repaired. All right, so I'm gonna take a closer look. They look good to me. I hope you can see it. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see it. Looks a little fuzzy. There, I think there you go. Right about there is the best look. Well, I'm gonna try it, and this one seems to be like it needs a little tad more. There we go. There you go. Hopefully you can see. I was able to see it, how it deposited a little bit of that soldering, melted soldering wire on there. So, oh, I didn't even have it on the camera, I think. Sorry about that. But anyways, it was that second one right there. I'll try it one more time so you can see it. There you go, right there. You should have been able to see that one. I saw it in my naked eye, so, well, I wear glasses, but they're reading glasses. All right. Okay, so that's it. Juan Carlos Mercado, Charlie, on how to repair your USB drive. Thank you. Have a good one. Love y'all.